How would you like to win this exciting Carrera tow truck? Find out how, coming up next. Hello once again, slot car race fans. My name is Trevor Ursulescu, owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. Well, here we are, February 2019, and it is time for a special Monster Hobbies Carrera slot car giveaway contest. Now, this contest is in no way affiliated with Carrera of America, other than it is a Carrera product. This is an entirely on my own shoulders Monster Hobbies contest. So, what I'm giving away is this great Carrera tow truck, and now you may have seen this in our slot car videos. Josh has one. The tailgate can drop down, it can pick up a car like it shows on here, it has lights, it has a working horn, it has flashing lights at the top, and it is a very cool model. Hooks up with pretty much every Carrera car except for the Formula 1s because of those long noses. But yeah, this is a cool giveaway, and I want one of you lucky subscribers to have this. But in order for me to give this away, I want to reach a goal of 5,000 subscribers. Now I'm already at 3,777 as I record this video, so it's not very far away to get to that 5,000. So just remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to leave all the details for this contest down in the comments below so that you guys can read the black and white instead of me just talking about it. And all I really need you guys to do is just, if you want to be in this contest, leave a comment down below. Then when we reach 5,000 subscribers, it's going to be really quick and simple. I'm going to find a random number generator. I'm going to go down in the comments and I'm going to give everybody a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down to however many we want. And then I'll click the random, I'll make a separate video where I click the random number generator, close off this contest portion when the day comes, roll that number, film that, and show you who wins. And then from there, you can contact me. I'll give you my email, or however that goes. We'll be in touch, Facebook, whatever. And I will get your address from you, and I will ship this thing anywhere in the world. And hopefully whoever wins will get it pretty quickly. Anyway, so enjoy the video and read all the legal stuff down below. And until next time, good luck to all those and happy slot car racing.